Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you quite handy Windows tutorial which many of us might find useful. Today I'm going to be showing you how to block internet access for specific applications using Windows Firewall. Sometimes you might want to control which applications have access to internet for various reasons, be it privacy, security, or even to manage bandwidth usage, and Windows Firewall offers a straightforward way to do just that. So before we begin, a quick note: altering Windows Firewall settings can impact your computer's functionality and security. So ensure that you are familiar with the application that you are blocking and the potential consequences thereof. Also, make sure that you have the administrative access to your system to modify firewall settings. So to begin, to create a Windows Firewall rule, you first need to open up the advanced firewall interface, which is named appropriately enough. So Windows Firewall with advanced security. To do so, you have to navigate to the control panel and select your Windows Firewall. In the Windows Firewall, the window, then you have to click Advanced Settings link on the left, which is going to allow you to change or create these settings. So just follow along to see how we can do that. And go to your settings, then security and update, and the security, then say firewall and network connections. So this is going to open this dialog, and you have to go to outbound rules, and you can see various rules already made by Windows, which allows different settings to access your internet connection depending on the rule that is being created. So for this case, we're going to be blocking Google Chrome, and this is a simple way because it's going to show you whether the rule is in effect or not. So I'm just going to show you to see that it is actually working. So without the rule, I'm just going to open a random website, and you can clearly see that it is currently working. Okay, so just going to close that and create our rule so that we can block this internet access. So what you're going to need to do is go to new rule and start creating the rule, and you're going to have to select program and click next. And here is the most important part, because you have to make sure that the path that you have selected is the correct pathway. The application that you want to select for blocking internet access is the correct one. If you do make a mistake, just make sure, or whether if the rule is not working, just make sure that you have the correct pathway so that everything works perfect. So I'm just going to click browse and click OK. So I'm just going to have to locate where I installed Google Chrome, or where the Google Chrome exe file is found. So depending whether it's a 32-bit system or 64-bit system, it will be in a different file. So a 32-bit system is going to be in this file, program files times 86. If it's 64-bit system, it's going to be just in program files. So in the applications folder for Google Chrome, you can see that this is the Chrome exe, and there's no other exe that you must choose. So this is a PWA-exe launcher. It's not the one that we want the main file. Okay, so I want to click next and open. So once this is done, you're going to click next, and you're going to be shown this. It's going to allow you to choose what exactly you want to do. And for this tutorial, you're going to be blocking all internet access. So just click block the connection, and then you're going to have to choose the rule that you want to apply. So depending on the type of internet connection that you want to block, whether you want to block just a specific domain, a private internet or public internet connection, you have to choose which type of connection you want to block. And if you're unsure which internet connection that you're currently using, you can just click all three of them, like what we are doing now. And I'm just going to click next, and then you have to name your rule. So this isn't really much important, but you can just literally just write any row that you'd like to do. Then I'm gonna click next, and you can see that the row is now being made. You can see Google Chrome no connection. Then you can either disable the room, right? So it's being disabled now, or you can enable the room. So you're just gonna quickly check to see if the row is actually in effect. So I'm gonna go and try to open the same browser and see, and you can clearly see that your internet access has been blocked. And now that this row is in effect, nothing can, the application that you've decided to block cannot access internet and won't be able to update or do anything else that requires internet access. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.